Same for this and this and that.
Gracious, things wear out fast.
Actually, Culligan's got the opposite problem. Their water condition...
Britain has seen a lot of protest in the past few weeks from traitors to this nation. We will tolerate this no longer. The idea that police kill their own citizens in cold blood is completely unfounded. They have the right to defend themselves against traitorous protesters. Attempt to start fights or be violent with the police force and they will show you no mercy. Do not attack police officers. You will be executed. We have introduced a new curfew. You will return to your homes at 7 p.m. and you are able to leave them at 7 a.m. Failure to obey and you will be executed. We will repair this country, no matter the cost. Rebellion will not be tolerated. Rebel against the government, and you will die. We have captured plenty of rebels so far, and they and their families will die a slow, painful death, wishing they hadn't dared disobey the government. Let us show you. To the few rebels who have not been captured, know this: we will find you, and we will kill you. Your families will be butchered like pigs, your wives and daughters turned into the playthings of our soldiers. You will beg for mercy. For some of you, it is too late.